The first step in crafting this delectable treat is preparing the crust. Begin by blending 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, that's optional, but it adds a nice kick, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Once combined, press this mixture firmly into the base and sides of a 9-inch pie dish to form your crust. Now, it's time to add a layer of sweetness to your crust. Spread a generous layer of Dulce de Leche evenly over the bottom of the crust. Whether you choose to use the canned variety or make your own by simmering sweetened condensed milk, the result is a rich caramel base that's absolutely divine. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the bananas. Arrange sliced bananas over the Dulce de Leche layer, ensuring they cover the entire surface of the pie. This not only adds a fresh, fruity flavor, but also a lovely texture contrast to the smooth Dulce de Leche. In a separate bowl, it's time to whip up some cream. Combine 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and whip until stiff peaks form. This fluffy sweet cloud is then spread over the banana layer, completely covering it. Almost there now. For a finishing touch, sprinkle chocolate shavings and a dusting of espresso powder over the whipped cream. This not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also a hint of flavor that complements the other elements beautifully. Once garnished, the banoffee pie needs to chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or until set. This allows the flavors to meld together and the pie to firm up, making it easier to slice. Finally, the moment of truth. Once chilled, slice the banoffee pie into wedges and serve. Each bite of this creamy, caramelized dessert is a journey to a sweet, indulgent wonderland. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making a perfect banoffee pie. From the crumbly crust to the caramelized Dulce de Leche, the fresh bananas, and the whipped cream topping, every layer is a testament to the harmonious blend of flavors and textures that make this dessert a true classic. Happy baking!